Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the process of how you can log in into Investor Bank for your online banking account. Now for that, first of all, you open the browser on your PC, then on the search bar, you need to type in investorsbank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official banking page of Investor Bank. Here you need to click on the sign in option over here. Then this will pop up. Here to log in you need to provide the username and the password for your account and then click on login. This will get you logged in into your online banking account in Investor Bank. But if you forgot your user ID or your password, you can recover it by clicking on this provided link. For that, click on this link. I will just show you how you can recover the user ID. Now for that, first of all, you need to provide the email address and you need to click on the tick mark over here and click on submit. Then you will be redirected to the further process for recovering your user ID. It's the similar process with the forgotten password as well. You click open the link and there you type in your user ID and click on next. This will direct you to the another web page for the further process of recovering your password in Investor Bank. This is how you can easily log in and recover your login details. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.